Hello, I'm Taylor Billion with Celloland News. Tonight on Health Beat, our topic is bacteria cells. With us here is nurse Molly Detzel, who is going to give us the inside scoop. During this upcoming flu and cold season, what are some tips on our defense against bacteria?
Well, Taylor, though some bacteria can be useful to the body, it can also be harmful. So, to avoid this, I advise you wash your hands thoroughly using plenty of soap and warm water, and avoid touching objects that may be heavily populated with bacteria.
Interesting. Very interesting. Tell me, Molly, what exactly is the function of a bacteria cell?
The function of harmful bacteria cells is basically just to stay alive. However, Taylor, not all bacteria cells are bad.
Really? Please, do tell.
Okay. Some bacteria cells are essential to human life. We would die without some of the nutrients and ions that bacteria produce for the body.
Neat.
Hey Taylor, how do cells communicate?
How?
A cell phone.
Oh, Molly, you're so funny. Hey, I got one. How do cells multiply?
How?
They just divide.
Oh, Taylor, you kill me.
How does the cell structure help it carry out its functions?
Well, the cell has 8 basic parts: the cell wall, the cell membrane, the nucleoid, cytoplasm, flagella, pili, capsule, and ribosomes, which help it carry out its functions.
Oh yes, is it true that the nucleoid contains DNA that helps the cell reproduce?
It sure is. Also, the cell wall protects and supports the cell. The cell membrane protects the internal contents of the cell.
Oh, I see. I also heard that cytoplasm is a substance that fills a cell to give it shape. Is that accurate?
It sure is. Plus, ribosomes make proteins, flagella allow the cell to move, and the capsules protects the cell from drying out. Lastly, the pili provide adhesion to the surface the cell attaches to. Just look at the diagram.
Well, thank you for joining us, Molly. It was truly a pleasure.
The pleasure is all mine.
Well, see you next time on Celloland News.